Hello student, welcome to cooperation class. Today we are going to start with unit 1 of 12th standard, that is management of cooperative organization. First, we'll start with introduction. What do you mean by management? Management is nothing but process of decision making to achieve desired goals. The concept of word management can be clear in many ways. Like, in order to satisfy wants, a person has to perform numerous activities. Therefore, human beings join or cooperate together in the form of groups and organizations. Every organization, whether it may be a family, a college, a business enterprise, a government, a church, so on, is basically a group of people seeking to attain some common objectives. Objectives meaning goals, targets. So everybody has some or other objectives and they try to achieve their goals. A central organ or agency is required to coordinate the activities and efforts of various individuals working in an organization so that they can work collectively as a team, and such an organ is called as management. So I have put important points over here. We can take certain important points like numerous activities, cooperate together, common objectives, organ of agencies, coordinate the activities and collectively as a team. According to experts, the word management has different meaning and can be used in different ways. So management is very important in cooperative organization as well as in other organizations. It is a general body formed to help voluntarily united person to meet their common interest after properly utilizing the resources. The survival and growth of a cooperative organization depends largely on the competence and character of its management. Cooperative management is the dynamic, life-giving element in every cooperative organization. The management is what management does. Management is universal process. Management includes the process where all set of activities are included, whether it may be social or economic. All management functions demand decision making at all levels. There are 3 levels, as I said in the last class: top level, middle level and lower level. If the decisions are rightly taken, the management becomes successful. Therefore, the management is simply the process of decision making and control over the action of human being to achieve desired goals.